Hey, welcome back to the channel. Y'all, I'm really excited for today's video, because we're just gonna have a nice, simple, fun time. So, here I have a Sun and Moon Team Up booster pack. I don't know if I've really unboxed any Team Up, packs on this channel, but, I just grabbed one today, just because I was out, because I could, and I thought it would just be enjoyable. I have the tag team card now. I'm not after anything, but I don't know how many team up packs I've opened up, period. So I won't have a whole lot of cards from the set, and I think it'd be fun to just check it out. And I also have another thing after this, which will probably be in the title of the video, but that we're gonna look at too, which I'm also very excited about. So, yeah, before I bust this puppy open, just look at how awesome the art is here. Like, look at that Mimikyu. You can see, like, the folds of its costume. It feels fabric. That is wonderful. I love that. Okay. I'm gonna open it from the back. It's just one pack. It's no big deal. Alright, and it's a Pikachu and Zekrom on the cover there. Now, what I want us to think about as I'm opening this is not, you know, am I going to get the best card in the set? That's not what we're thinking. What we're thinking is, I don't know what's in here, you know? But it's a nice, solid pack of Pokemon cards. It's going to have some cool things in here, and we're going to have a good time opening it up. And that's what I want us to think about. No matter what is in here, we win. I'm excited to have bought this and to have whatever the contents are. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and open it. Open this boy. You know, I've done packs of Team Up before, I think. Good card. Now that I think about it, anyway. Oh, 1, 2, 3 to the front. We have an electric energy. Okay. Starting out, Golduck. Nice. Dana. We're gonna come back and see what she does. Spiritomb. Yeah, sick. It's not a super good card, but search your deck for up to 4 Pokemon and discard them. Why? Okay. This isn't a very good card, but Spiritomb is an interesting Pokemon, I think, so that's cool. Magikarp. Okay. Poochyena. Alolan Geodude. I like that. I like these kinds of cards. Bronzor. Dratini. Nice. Nice. Ho 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 ho. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Reverse Hollow Flaffy. I love this. I love this. I love Flaffy. I love Mareep. Yes, I'm very excited to get this card. And on the end, we have a Beedrill. Okay, so, nothing crazy, but we did win. Wait. Oh, shoot. That's a really good attack, actually. Only if this Pokemon has any damage counters on it, both active Pokemon are knocked out. Holy heck. That is wild. Wow. Okay. I love this card. That's incredible. Let's take a look at him. This Golduck has Amnesia and Swim. Choose one of your opponent's active Pokemon attacks. You cannot use that attack during the next turn. And Swim. If your opponent's Pokemon have any water energy attached to them, you may do 90 damage to one of your opponent's bench Pokemon instead of their active Pokemon. Okay. Let's see what Dana does. You may play this card only if your opponent's active Pokemon is a Stage 2 Pokemon. Search deck for up to 2 cards into your hand. Alright, not that good. Spiritomb, I think, is a wild Pokemon, because let's see what the Pokédex entry at the bottom says. It was bound to a fissure in on I cannot speak English. In an odd keystone, as punishment for its misdeeds 500 years ago. Like, canonically, Spiritomb is 1,000 evil souls, like, bound to a rock. That is just so crazy to me. Magikarp, you can evolve it. 30 HP, Magikarp, you dumb little fish. Poochiana. You can put it in your hand. Okay. If you're trying to build up, trying to get a lot of energy, I guess, for a dark type, that could be good. Oh, and Geodude. Not bad. This first attack requires no energy, and lets you attach 2 energy to this, which, it's not the best attack, but anyway. Bronzer. And Dratini. And then this wonderful, gorgeous Flaffy. I'm very happy with this. I'm very glad I got this. So, kind of shocked at this Beedrill attack, actually. Both active Pokemon are knocked out. Like, that's... Yeah, it's a Stage 2 Pokemon, so... You have to spend some time evolving it, but... like, if it has any damage, and this attack here does damage to itself, so... If you need damage on it for some reason, that's only 1 energy. You do not have to spend a lot of time. I mean, you could evolve it on your bench, play it with 1 energy, and knock out a Pokemon in 2 turns. That is wild. I'm gonna see if I can build a deck around that, honestly. I'm really just getting to deck building, which brings us to the next thing in the video, which I'm also really excited about, which are these. This is a pack of sleeves that I just bought at Walmart today, while getting the team up pack. Yeah, this is a set of 65 card sleeves. I don't have any card sleeves, is the thing, which is why I needed this. So, because there's a lot of cards which, honestly, I wanted to protect. Some GX cards and some favorites and stuff like that. So, these were the only theme ones to have. Someday I'd love to get an Elite Trainer box for some set and get some of the awesome sleeves that come in those. They have really cool sleeves online too, but these I think were maybe like $7 or something, and the art's pretty cool. It's a Snorlax, Sleepy Snorlax. They're third party. I think they're Ultra Pro, but you know, let's tear this puppy open or something like that. Okay, if anyone knows anything about the TCG, tell me something about this Beedrill and why it's not, like, extremely overpowered. Please, because that's what it seems like to me. Anyway, I am so excited to have some card sleeves finally, because I felt bad about not, honestly, and just whenever I watch, I can't get this, whenever I watch Pokemon unboxings myself, which I do occasionally, one sec. Whenever I do, when they open up a good card, of course they sleeve it right away. And I was like, dang, I can't do that because I don't have any sleeves. And that's not the case anymore. And Alright. So. Nice. 65. Ooh, hey. Slipped right out of my hand. So yeah. 65 sleeves, which is more than enough for a deck of 60 cards. And here we have them. I like that art. Sleepy Snorlax. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and sleeve up the Beedrill. Nice. And the Flaffy. This is, even, I guess if it's a green code card, a pretty good, pack because of, these boys. One, which is a solid card, I feel like, to play with, and another one which is some beautiful art of a Pokemon that I like. So, yeah, a win all around, and I'm really excited to start putting these sleeves on some more cards, which you'll see more in the future, hopefully. So, thanks for tuning in and watching. Have a good day. I really hope that you do.